Are you caught up in overwhelm right now? I feel like these days we can get overwhelmed by so many different things. Either we're overwhelmed from all the feelings that we have to deal with. We're overwhelmed with maybe our character defects are hitting us hard and we're doing things we don't want to do before we realize we're doing them. Just having chores around the house can overwhelm us, you know, with all the things there are to do. If you have a house or apartment, you know, there's a lot of things to be done. We get stuck in overwhelm, and, you know, I get stuck in it and I'm like, oh my God, where do I start? Like, what do I do next? And, you know, it's hard sometimes to just pull yourself out of it and take one thing at a time. We start getting our brains in like a zoom, zoom, zoom overwhelm of everything that we have to do. It could be all those things combined. Okay. It's different for everybody. Everybody has their space of overwhelm. So I wanted to do our 3 energies to deal with overwhelm today. And I hope this resonates with you and help you. If you're watching this, it's probably for you. Otherwise, you wouldn't have bumped into it. So our first energy is love. This card just keeps coming up. Are you coming from a space of love? Okay, if you look at everything you have to do, whether it's going to work, getting up for work, going to work, getting home, making dinner, you know, making your lunch for work, going to see people, helping others, you know, all those things. Are you coming from a space of love? Are you slowing down and looking at things from a space of love? Okay. If we do this, the overwhelm will like fade to the back corner. Okay. If we just face each thing we have to do one at a time with love. Okay. Breaking free. You know, are you making commitments that you really don't want to do? Are you saying yes when you mean no? That used to happen to me all the time. I'd be like, okay. But, and then I'd have to do a zillion more things, you know. Break free from the chains that bind us. Okay. Surrender and just break free from that overwhelm. Okay. And just say yes to what you want to do. Okay. If you need to do something or feel you need to do something, just do it and take it slow, you know, and come from that space of loving energy, and it will go smoother and easier for you. Okay. But break free from them chains that bind us to think we have to do everything. Like, is something that's you feel like you have to do right now, can it really wait? Is it your mind that's telling you you have to do it right now, but it really doesn't have to be done right now? So break free from the chains that hold us back in our minds. Okay. And feelings. Are you processing those feelings? You know, overwhelm can come from so many different areas, okay, of our feelings. You know, grief, fear, resentment. We need to change that to like faith, love, acceptance, you know, and realize that we have to feel our feelings and just go through them. Okay. Maybe you need to journal about your feelings and write it down so you can like see it in black and white, so you know what you have to do next. Okay. Feel those feelings. Okay. Even of overwhelm, and let them pass. You don't have to stay in overwhelm. You can process it and realize, hey, I really don't have to do all that. I can do this, this, and this instead. You know, so let them feelings of overwhelm go and change them with other feelings, feelings of love, okay, and acceptance and faith. Okay, so our 3 energies to get us out of overwhelm today are love, breaking free, and feelings. I hope this resonates with you, and I hope you like this video. If you could, please share it with somebody that might need it today, that they're stuck in overwhelm and could benefit from hearing these cards. Okay. And if you could leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. And if you could subscribe to my channel and check out my website, oraclebydawn.com. And if you would like a personal reading with me, message me or check out my link. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.